Welcome to the course Python Programming. I am Dr. P. Govardhan, Professor of Computer Science and Engineering in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand typecasting. Typecasting. We can convert one data type into another data type. This conversion is called typecasting. The following are various inbuilt functions for typecasting in Python programming: int function, float function, complex function, bool function, string function. Int function. We can use this function to convert numbers into integer data type. Observe the note. We can convert from any type to int except complex data type. If you want to convert string type to int data type, compulsory string should contain only integral value and should be specified in base 10 only. Now these are the example. A is equal to 12.25. This is floating data type. I want to convert this floating data type into data type using the int function, int of a. Now the output is 12. We get only integer part, fractional part will be truncated. Now another example, a is equal to 12, this is string. In the string, this value is integral value and also it is base 10 number system, means that means it should be a decimal number system. I want to convert this numeric string into data type. The output is 12. The another example, a is equal to true. Internally, true is Boolean data type. Internally, true represents 1, and I want to convert the Boolean data type into integer data type. The output is 1. Suppose this is the complex number 12 plus 6j. I am converting the complex number to the integer number. We get an error. That error is called type error. Can't convert complex to int. Now another example, a is equal to, it is a string 12.34. It is a string. It is not in decimal number. It's not in base 10. It's not in integral value. It is a floating value or real value. We get an error. Now the error is invalid literal for int with base 10. A is equal to some 12.34. Print type of a. Now observe here, a is a floating data type. I want to convert floating data type into integer data type using the int function. The output is 12. The integer part only will be displayed. The fractional part will be truncated. This is the numeric string. The string contains the integral part. The output is 12. Suppose I am trying some decimal binary number system 0b 101. We get an error. That error is called value error. Invalid literal for int with base 10. It's not a decimal number system. It's not an integral value. It should be integral and should be base 10 system means decimal value. Suppose I am trying to convert 1 plus 2j. We get an error. Can't convert complex to int data type. Suppose I am providing some string, we get an error. We get an error, value error, invalid literal for int with base 10. We are providing string value. For this we get an error. Float function, we can use float function to convert other type values to float values. Now observe one note, we can convert any type value to float type except complex type. Whenever we are trying to convert string type to float type, compulsory string should be either integral or floating point literal and should be specified only in base 10. Say for example, a is equal to 12.34. Now the string literal is floating point number. The output is 12.34. A is equal to 12, it is integer. This integer convert into the floating point number 12.0. A is equal to true, internally true is 1, we convert it into 1.0. A is equal to 10, convert into the float of A. The output is 10.0. A is equal to false. The output is 0.0. Internally false represents 0. 0 convert into the floating point value, that is 0.0. 12.34. This is the string. The string literal is floating point value. It convert into the floating data type. 12.34. I am trying to convert 2 plus some 7j. We get an error. Can't convert complex to float. Suppose I am trying to convert the string some 10. We get an error. Could not convert string to float. Now the next data type is complex function. We can use complex function to convert the other types to complex type. There are two forms. First form or form 1, complex of x. We can use this function to convert x into complex number with real part x and imaginary part is 0. Say for example, a is equal to true. I am converting this into complex data type. Internally true represents 1. The 1 is the real part, the imaginary part is 0. That is, the output is 1 plus 0j. Another example, a is equal to 23.25. I want to convert this into complex data type. This is real part plus the imaginary part is 0. Now this is string literal. It convert into the complex data type 23.25 plus 0j. I am trying to convert string into complex number. We get an error. Complex arg is malformed string. That means string cannot convert into the complex data type. The second form, complex of x comma y. We can use this method to convert x and y into complex number such that x will be real part and y will be the imaginary part. So this is the example. A is equal to complex of 12 comma 23. 12 is real part, 23 is imaginary part. The output is 12 plus 23j. Another example, a is equal to complex of true comma false. Internally true represents 1, false represents 0, 1 is real part, 0 is imaginary part. The output is 1 plus 0j. So z is equal to complex of 12. Print type of z. The output is complex. That means the z is a complex data type. I am printing the output z. Now the output is 12 is real part, the imaginary part is 0. The output is 12 plus 0j. 12 plus 0j. Suppose it is a true. Two represents internally 1 is real part, the imaginary part is 0. The output is 1 plus 0j. 1 plus 0j. Suppose I am providing false. Internally false represents 0. 0 is real part, 0 is imaginary part. The output is 0 plus 0j. The output plus 0j. I am providing string literal with floating data type 23. The output is 12.23 plus 0j. 12.23 plus 0j. Suppose I am trying to convert the number from 10, we get an error. That error is value error. The complex or is malformed string. That means string cannot convert into complex data type. The second form, z is equal to 12, 34. Now this convert into 12 is a real part, 34 is imaginary part. The output is 12 plus 34j. Now I am providing some 20.34 and 23, 34. Now the output is 20.34 plus 34j. 20.34 plus 34j. Now observe here, I am passing true value, true, false. The output is 1 plus 0j. Bool function. This function converts the other data type values to the bool. Any non-zero number represents true, 0 represents false. Bool of 0, 0 represents false. The output is false. Bool of 1 is non-zero number. It is true. Bool 10 non-zero number, true. Bool 10.5 non-zero number, true. Bool of 0.178, it is a non-zero number, true. Bool of 0.0, nothing but 0, it is false. Bool of 10 minus 2j, this is a non-zero number, it is a true. Bool of 0 plus 1.5j, this is a complex number, it is also a non-zero number. The output is true. 0 plus 0j is nothing but 0, false. True, internally it is a string, true. It is a false, true. Empty string represents false. A is equal to bool of 0. Print A. 0 represents false. Any non-zero number represents true. The output is false. Bool of 1, it represents, the output is true. Bool of 100, 1100, it is non-zero number, it represents true. The output is true. Suppose minus 1100 is also a non-zero number, the output is true. Some 0.0, this is 0, the output is false. 0 plus 0j, the output is false. 1 plus 2j, it is a non-zero number, the output is a true. Now 12.45, it is a non-zero number, the output is true. Any string represents true. Any string, bool of any string, the output is a true. Any string. Bool of empty string is a false. Empty string represents false. A string function. We can use this method to convert other type values to string type. This is the example. Str of 10, it is integer, convert into the string. Str of 10.5, float, convert into the string. Complex, convert into the string. It is true, convert into the Boolean type, convert into the string. S is equal to str of some 10. Print yes, the output is 10. The output is 10. Now observe, print type of S is a string data type. Now 10.23, the output is 10.23. 10.23 is string data type. Some plus some 23j, it is a complex number, convert into the string. 10.23 plus 23j, it is also string data type. Some true, it convert into the string, it is also a string data type. Now I am going to stop here. Thank you.